A significant missile and drone assault by Russia has targeted power infrastructure throughout Ukraine, as reported by President Volodymyr Zelensky. The strikes resulted in the deaths of at least 10 individuals and affected the capital, Kyiv, along with various locations in regions such as Donetsk, Lviv, and Odessa. DTK, Ukraine's largest private energy provider, indicated that its thermal energy facilities sustained considerable damage, leading to emergency blackouts. This incident marks the most extensive coordinated attack since early September, according to local authorities and media outlets. President Zelensky noted on Telegram that approximately 120 missiles and 90 drones were deployed during the assault. Although the United States does not maintain diplomatic relations with Tehran, Musk's private meeting offered a means for Iran to engage without direct interaction with an American official, according to the New York Times. The report also indicated that Musk initiated the meeting with the ambassador, which Iranian officials characterized as positive and good news. Trump spokesperson, Stephen Chung, stated, "We do not comment on reports of private meetings that did or did not occur." Both the Iranian mission to the UN and the White House declined to provide comments to CBS News regarding the matter. During his initial term, Trump withdrew the United States from the Iran nuclear agreement established in 2015 under Barack Obama and reinstated severe economic sanctions that largely restrict American businesses from operating in Iran. Additionally, Trump authorized the airstrike that resulted in the death of Iranian military commander Qasem Soleimani in 2020. The president-elect is also a strong supporter of Israel, which has been at war with the Iranian-backed groups Hamas and Hezbollah since Hamas's October 7 attack on Israel last year. Musk was recently appointed joint head of Donald Trump's new cost-cutting department, which will advise on government cost-cutting but will not be an official arm of the government. The tech billionaire and Tesla boss also joined Trump in a phone call with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, and has played a key role in providing communications to Ukraine's military via his Starlink satellite internet system.